بارش کھڑکی سے ٹکرائی.
The rain beat against the window. The rain beat against the window.
یہ ملکی قوانین کے خلاف ہے.
It is against the laws of the country. It is against the laws of the country.
اس کے سر میں درد کی شدت بڑھ گئی.
The pain in his head grew intense. The pain in his head grew intense.
میں نے اجنبی کی گرفت کے خلاف جدوجہد کی.
I struggled against the stranger's hold. I struggled against the stranger's hold.
کاغذ دیوار کے ساتھ لگا ہوا تھا.
The paper was fixed against a wall. The paper was fixed against a wall.
پہاڑیاں سخت اور خوفناک کھڑی تھی.
The hills stood stark and frightening. The hills stood stark and frightening.
وہ اپنے شوہر کے خلاف چلی گئی.
She went against her husband. She went against her husband.
یہ خاندانی مذہب کے خلاف ہے.
That is against the family religion. That is against the family religion.
یہ میرے عقیدے کے خلاف نہیں ہے.
That is not against my belief. That is not against my belief.
روشنی کے مقابلے میں اندھیرا تھا.
It was dark compared to the light. It was dark compared to the light.